Good evening, viewers. You're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. Let's take you now on what happened on the 26th of January. Right after that, the farm unions, the protesting farmers, had a massive perception battle, with many calling them anarchist. Have they found themselves in the same spot this time around? Today, farm unions, lots of farmers banded together for Rail Roko, asking for justice on what happened in Lakhimpur. They want the sacking, the resignation of the sitting MOS home. But in the midst of all of this, they've completely shrugged responsibility of what went down 3 days ago with the killing of a farmer at Singhu border, which is the epicenter of their own protest. Can they have it both ways? Is the question we ask To The Point this evening. A clarion call for Rail Roko. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha spearheading the agitation against the centre's 3 farm laws, blocking trains across the country in protest of the Lakhimpur incident, demanding the sacking and arrest of MOS home Ajay Mishra. Operations across 7 zones, 160 trains were affected. Farmers squatting on tracks at 184 locations. 63 trains stopped before destination, 43 trains cancelled, 5 trains diverted, 50 trains partially cancelled. The Rail Roko protest comes 3 days at the back of a spine-chilling murder at the Singhu border, the epicenter of the farm movement. A killing most gruesome of a farmer from Punjab by the Nihangs. While the farm unions distanced themselves from the murder, calling it a religious issue, Rakesh Tikait shifted blame on the government.
सरकार कभी भी माहौल खराब करवा सकती है और ये जो भी षड्यंत्र था ये पूर्ण रूप से सरकारों की देन है.
The question is, can farm unions shift blame of an incident that took place on their protest site? Is distancing enough? Will it bolster the argument by a section calling protesting farmers anarchists? The Singhu border murder has once again put the spotlight on farmers. During the 26 January incident, the unions had found it tough to battle the negative perception about the movement. The Singhu murder has put the farmers on the back foot again. The unions were trying to take the movement to parts of UP post Lakhimpur, especially in this election season. Will this lead to a public empathy deficit for the farm movement? Or will farmers successfully deflect blame? Bureau Report, India Today. So the farm protest, viewers, have seen many ups and downs. Like during 26 January, they had a massive empathy deficit, with many turning around and calling them anarchists. It turned around with the tears of Rakesh Tikait. All the farmers banded again. The movement grew. Then came Lakhimpur Khedi, where everyone looked at the farmers again with empathy. But now with this incident, can the farmers shrug responsibility and say there's a government hand in it, when all of it went down, transpired in their epicenter of protest, Singhu border? Is there a perception battle which the farm unions are fighting right now, especially when they look to make inroads in an election-bound state of Uttar Pradesh? I have with me this evening Rakesh Singh Tikait, National Spokesperson, Bharatiya Kisan Union. Joining me in just a short while is Charu Pragya from the BJP, as well as Anshul Avijit from the Congress. I want to cut across to Rakesh Tikait first. Rakesh ji, देखिए, आप कह रहे हैं कि अजय मिश्रा को दरखास्त करना चाहिए, उनको हिरासत में लेना चाहिए, उनकी गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए. बीजेपी कह रही है कि आपने क्या किया, जो सिंघू बॉर्डर पे हुआ वो आपकी एपिसेंटर पे हुआ, जहां पे आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आपने बोल दिया कि ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है क्योंकि जो हुआ उनको तो पकड़ लिया गया है। अब बीजेपी भी तो यही कहेगी ना कि जो लड़का है उसको पकड़ लिया गया है, उसके जो पिता हैं उसको क्यों अरेस्ट किया जाए?
उसके खिलाफ 120(b) का मुकदमा है। 120(b) का मुकदमे का मुलजिम खुला नहीं घूम सकता। वो भारत सरकार में अभी केंद्रीय गृह राज्य मंत्री है, जांच को प्रभावित करेगा और 120(b) का मुलजिम है, उसको गिरफ्तार करे, वंशज उसको बर्खास्त करे और इसकी जांच पड़ताल तो बाद में ही होगी। बस इसकी जब वो मंत्री गिरफ्तार हो जाएगा।
नहीं, आप तो कह रहे हैं मंत्री गिरफ्तार होना चाहिए, पर मैं फिर से सिंघू का जिक्र करूंगी टिकैत साहब, क्योंकि आपने तो बोल दिया है ये गवर्नमेंट का कराया है। ऊपर से आप कह रहे हैं कि हमारा उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं, जिसने किया उसकी तो गिरफ्तारी हो गई। तो क्या आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेनी चाहिए? क्या आपकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है? फार्म यूनियंस सिंघू में ही तो बैठी थी, कौन चला रहा था सिंघू?
वो तो चले गए ना 6 घंटे बाद में, जिसने कोई कांड कराए वो चले गए जेल में, उसकी जांच चल रही, जो और होंगे वे भी चले जाएंगे
ना। आप वो तो चले गए, पर आप पूरा जो फार्म यूनियंस है, जो संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा है, उनकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं बनती है क्या? आप लोगों ने कुछ वहां पर एक वीडियो बना, किसी किसान ने कुछ कहा नहीं, अगले दिन आप कहे चलो उनकी तो अरेस्ट हो गई पर हमारी इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है?
हमने ये कहा कि जिसने गलती करी वो चले गए ना 6 घंटे बाद ही। लेकिन इसको क्यों बचा रहे हैं? जिसने वीडियो बनाई, अच्छा क्या करोगे भाई? देश में तो कानून है ना, देश में कानून है ना। 302 का पता है कि 302 की धाराएं क्या होती है? किसी ने कत्ल कराए तो 302 की धाराएं हैं, मुलजिम पकड़ा जाए।
टिकैत साहब देखिए, लखीमपुर खेड़ी एक जगह है और जो सिंघू में हुआ वो एक जगह है। आप लखीमपुर खेड़ी के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, अच्छा है, आप लड़ते रहिए, पर जो दूसरी तरफ जो सिंघू में हुआ है उससे तो आप अपना पल्ला नहीं झाड़ सकते ना। आप नहीं कह सकते गवर्नमेंट ने किया है। गवर्नमेंट कैसे कर सकती है? वहां पर तो आप ही लोग बैठे हुए हैं। ये निहंग का जत्था जिसने मर्डर किया है आप ही के साथ तो बैठा हुआ था। कहां से आया जत्था?
क्यों इतनी बड़ी घटना होगी, LIU इंटेलिजेंस कहां थी? उनको जानकारी नहीं है। यहां पर तो कोई आदमी अगर खासेगा भी तो LIU के लोग वहां पर रहते हैं जी। कैसे खासे? आप निकलते ही बता देते हैं। पुलिस के बैरिकेटिंग के पास में इस तरह की घटनाएं हो जाए, पुलिस को नहीं पता। उसकी बहन का बयान है, वो तो सुना होगा आपने। उसने कहा कि कमरे में अलग जाकर बात करता था और ये कहता था मेरे बड़े लोगों से संबंध है। तो इसका मतलब ये षड्यंत्र था और ये करा गया है।
तो ये पूरा, टिकैत साहब, ये पूरा षड्यंत्र गवर्नमेंट ने रचाया था, पर जो इल्जाम दिया वो आप ही के जो लोग जत्थे में बैठे हुए थे निहंग, उन्होंने दिया, पर आपका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है क्योंकि अरेस्ट हो गया, अब आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। मेरे साथ बने रहिए। मैं जो दूसरे गेस्ट हैं, I want to bring them in as well. I want to cut across to Charu from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Charu Pragya, the blame has been shifted to your doorstep, where Rakesh Tikait is saying that it is instigated by the government on what went down in Singhu border. Ultimately, look at what we did today. We want justice for Lakhimpur Khedi.
Preeti, I think this is a very convenient stand Mr. Tikait and the Kisan Union wants to take today. The fact of the matter remains that nearly a year ago, this movement was hijacked and there has been infiltration of the protest, and they need to admit to it and they need to call off the protest because they can no longer control it. It is not in their control anymore. So when things go on right under their noses and they've got no control over it, I don't think they have any moral right to continue with this protest for many reasons. The Supreme Court has said that for your own right to protest, you cannot encroach upon the rights of normal residents of that region. They have not paid heed to that. Haryana Chief Minister offered them COVID testing just to ensure that people don't die at that protest site. They have not agreed to that. There has been rape, there has been murder, there has been mutilation, and I can go on and on listing things that have gone on under the guise of this protest. I think now is a correct time to understand that the government has understood, taken into account, and agreed to all the requirements of the genuine farmers of our country. The bills are at a pause for 2 long years while conversations go on. The so-called Kisan Netas have only wanted to further their political interests. Maybe they want to contest an election. Maybe they think campaigning for TMC is not sufficient. Maybe they want to become MLAs and so on and so forth in the times to come, which is fair enough. But you cannot be hijacking a movement, in the name of farmers and shooting from their shoulders, which is exactly what they are doing.
But Charu Pragya, it cuts both ways. It cuts both ways because you quoted what the Haryana minister said. They offered COVID testing. ML Khattar also asked other cadres to take up arms against these farmers as well. No? So let's not get there. But I want to now distinguish on what the farmers did today. Asking for justice of Lakhimpur Kheri. That's not wrong. Ajay Mishra finds mention in an FIR, which is also his name. The MOS home is named in an FIR to instigate violence. There is a speech which he has made which clearly says, or which is deemed as instigating, where he says, if you don't vacate in 2 days, I'll make sure you do. It's not wrong for them to ask for his sacking or for him to be arrested.
See, Preeti, wrong is a wrong, and I'm not here to justify anything that has been done in a wrong manner. But Mr. Tikait was on your show just 5 minutes before me, and I want to ask you and remind him, didn't he give out a warning? At the time Lakhimpur Kheri incident happened, didn't he say that we should be expecting retaliation? And that's what happened after some time. I think now the holier-than-thou stand these Kisan Union leaders are taking needs to be taken down a notch or two.
Okay.
The government will also take stern action against them, which needs to be done. So
but that action has not been taken. Your MOS home is still in office. But okay, टिकैत साहब, देखिए मैं आप जो चारू प्रज्ञा ने आपसे अभी पूछा है कि आपने खुद ही बोला था ना कि लखीमपुर के बाद इसका रिएक्शन होगा. आपने बोला था कि जो बाकी 3 जो मारे गए थे लखीमपुर में वो एक रिएक्शन था, तो वो भी सही था कि नहीं?
आपने देखा होगा, चैनल वाले भी रहते हैं वहीं, आपने देखा हो तो आप चला दो भाई.
ही था ना टिकैत साहब, आप ही ने बोला था कि रिएक्शन है, चलाया तो था.
मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि कोई वीडियो, अरे वीडियो बना है ना, उनमें जेल जा लिए ना, जेल चले गए ना, पता है आपको. लेकिन मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि लखीमपुर पर तो सबने देखा है, उस पर बोल लो. लखीमपुर का तो देखा है आपने, उस पर बोल लो आप.
ओके, चारू प्रज्ञा, I want to bring in Anshu.
देखा है सबने उसके वीडियो.
जी
कहाँ हो गया लखीमपुर का? अरे लखीमपुर का हो कहाँ गया? क्यों?
बेटा तो अरेस्ट हो गया ना, वही कहा जा रहा है.
8 लोगों की डेथ हुई, उसको नहीं देख रहे. समझौते में ये भी तो है, तो ये दिखाई नहीं देता. ये दिखाई तो देता होगा ना सबको.
ओके, चलिए ठीक है.
मतलब वो गृह राज्य मंत्री है तो उसका इस्तीफा नहीं होगा, वो जेल नहीं जाएगा. कानून तो उसके लिए बराबर है. उसने क्या स्पीच दी, जांच हो जाए, उसको हटाओ एक बार. 120B का मुलजिम है.
चलिए ठीक है.
120B का मुलजिम खुला नहीं घूम सकता, पकड़ो उसको. मतलब रेड कारपेट गिरफ्तारी है, पूछताछ मालाओं के साथ में है उसके लड़के से. गृह राज्य मंत्री के लड़के से कोई पूछताछ कर लेगा.
चलिए, as I bring in Anshul Avijit, also Charu Pragya, the question Mr. Tikait is raising the right point. What is he asking? He's saying that in Singhu border, those who, hear my question out. Those who murdered that farmer have been arrested immediately. Law will take its course. In this situation, the MOS home is still in office. While there is an FIR against him that he instigated the violence. Why is he still in office?
So absolutely, when you are saying the MOS home needs to take accountability of what has gone on under his nose, doesn't Mr. Tikait supposed to take responsibility for what has gone on under his nose? Sanyukt Kisan Morcha made a statement today saying that these miscreants were not ours. They have infiltrated the protest. Isn't that exactly what BJP has been saying all along? There are all sorts of miscreants in the guise of this protest, and why don't they call it off? Because it's no longer in their control. That's exactly the point I'm trying to make. So in an indirect, roundabout way, they agree with us, yet they come on television debates and pretend to be holy and true and honest, which they are not, because they are allowing all this to go on, knowing the protest has been hijacked. 26 January, they neither stuck to the route given by the police nor the time given by the police. We also what happened after that. Girls have disappeared from nearing villages. They have not spoken about that. There has been
no girls have not. There has been one case of a girl from Calcutta. What are the other girls you're talking about? I don't know. Let's just stick to facts. But having said that, I want to bring in Anshul Avijit into this conversation. Anshul Avijit, your party has stood by the farmers within everything that they have done, especially where Lakhimpur Kheri is concerned. But when you bring in Singhu with it, do you think it's apt to say that's not our responsibility? The government played a part. Does the Congress support the farmers' take on what happened at Singhu?
No, I mean, there is absolutely no doubt that it was a very brutal and barbaric incident. There's no doubt about it. But the Sangyukt Kisan Morcha has come up with a statement saying, after all, I'm a spokesperson of the Congress was not there. They've come up and said that this was not us. We were separate from this. This was done by other people. And we condemn it. It should never have happened. There was a lapse of policing as well in that. I think the broader point here, Preeti, is that there has been a consistent attempt by this government to malign it. In fact, there's been a three-pronged strategy earlier. First of all, to slander it, to malign it, to call it separatist, to, the classic tropes of the BJP. For any kind of protest, the right to dissent is something they continuously undermine. The second thing is to say that, they are surrogates of the Congress, that this is not a genuine protest at all. So undermine it in that particular way. The third thing is to bring in an international conspiracy. An international conspiracy is brought in even by the MEA.
Anshul Avijit, do you not think it takes away? Do you not think it takes away from the farmers' protest when they are today asking for the sacking and the arrest of MOS Home, but on the other hand saying that we have nothing to do what happened at Singhu?
No, Preeti, this is a broad-based protest in which the Sangyukt Kisan Morcha is a part of it. We started the protest even before they came onto the streets in the borders in November. In fact, we said that this was an illegitimate bill because it was passed through, unparliamentary methods. There was no consensus. There was no taking it to the select committee.
Okay.
In fact,
I want to quickly go to Mr. Tiket once. टिकैत साहब, आप कह रहे हैं कि कानून ने तो अपना काम किया, पर आप गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं ना? ये पूरा जो हुआ ये तो आप ही की तरफ हुआ है, आप ही के साथ लोगों ने मर्डर किया है. आप गवर्नमेंट का हाथ इसमें कैसे हो सकता है?
हमने कह रहे कि कानून अपना काम कर रहा है. किसी एक आदमी ने कोई घटना करी, क्या होता है, कानून ये कहता है कि उसकी गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए. वो भाग्य थोड़ा, उन्होंने गिरफ्तारी दे दी अपनी, केस अपना चलेगा, उनको सजा हो जाएगी जो भी होगा. लेकिन LIU और इंटेलिजेंस के लोग क्या कर रहे थे, इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हरकत करवाई गई है. मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं, इसका कोई जांच कर सकता है इसमें कोई न कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट किसी का मिलेगा इसमें.
चारू प्रज्ञा, now you see the kind of trust deficit that is.
भाई जो हत्या करेगा 302 का मुल्जिम है.
Because at one end the farmers are blaming you, you are blaming the farmers. A Lakhimpur Kheri incident has happened, a Singhu has happened in the meanwhile.
Yeah, exactly, Preeti, and this is heart-wrenching, and it actually is very upsetting for me.
But does it upset you equally that an MOS Home is still in office?
Exactly what goes on in the protest, pass the buck like this.
But does it upset you equally?
He's got a very myopic view, and his view only looks at himself and his political progress, and that's very unfortunate. And I would like to repeat this: this protest needs to be called off because the demands.
Should the MOS Home step down, Charu Pragya?
If it has to continue,
should the MOS Home step down?
Parliament in a constitutional manner, not encroaching upon the rights of others, and investigation can only go on freely after that has happened.
Should an MOS Home step down?
That's a completely unrelated matter. Tell me, is Mr. Tiket
completely related, Charu? You must answer that question categorically.
The FIR has been lodged.
Complete obligation on him to step down. It can't be a free and fair probe.
Why is that connected? Like if you're looking at moral.
All right, I'm going to close the show. Okay, I'm sorry. We should have had more time. I'm going to just close the show here. But it cuts both ways. Can the farmers completely shrug responsibility on what happened in Singhu while asking right now for justice in what happened in Lakhimpur and say we have nothing to do with Singhu? Will they face a perception battle where people who are actually looking at them or supported them at one point? On the other hand, where the government is concerned, the MOS Home is still sitting, serving, while there is an FIR against him for instigating on what happened at Lakhimpur. We leave it for our viewers to decide. A quick break. Up next is my colleague Gaurav Sawant.